This video is highly requested, and I do apologize that I have not uploaded it sooner, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get straight into this video. First, we need to do is remove the plastic from our pizza. And if you're like me, where you have to rearrange your pepperonis, go ahead and do that. Now, this pizza where I have right now, I had it out of the freezer for about 10 minutes. So I wanted to get a little bit unthawed because my children, they like their crust at the bottom to be a little bit crispy. And when I use the Galanz, they hate it because they like theirs crispy and the Galanz doesn't really do it that way. You're going to have more of a soggy dough because there's no heating unit at the bottom like a regular oven. So to get your pizza to be nice and crispy, make sure you unthaw it. Now, if it's completely unthawed, that's even better. Because after you unthaw it, what you need to do is you can add your extra toppings if you want to. I did add some cheese, extra cheese and pepperoni to it as well. And then you want to preheat your Galanz, put it on air fryer, 400 degrees, and then put it on 10 minutes and then hit start. You want it to preheat for at least 10 minutes. What it's going to do is it's going to make your unit. Be sure you put your air fryer unit inside of the Galanz as well as it's preheating, because this would allow your unit to get nice and hot. And then when you're cooking it inside the air fryer, it's automatically going to start cooking the crust at the bottom because it's so hot. So be sure to preheat your oven first if that's what the type of pizza crust that you like on your frozen pizza. If you like yours like really soft, kind of like pizza you get from like Pizza Hut, Little Caesars, you don't even have to preheat your oven. Just make sure that your pizza is unthawed. Now I'm putting mine on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Now I do stop it like around 10 minutes to add my pepperoni and my extra cheese on top as well. It doesn't really cook for the whole 20 minutes though. This is what I do for my kids because they prefer just to eat it on just the box instead of putting it on a plate. So I'll just tear the top part of the pizza box off, and then once it's done, just slide my pizza into the box. My pizza has been cooking for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some more cheese and some pepperoni on top and then let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. So really, technically, if you're cooking your pizza like mine, I didn't preheat my oven. I just kind of just put it in there because my son actually wanted it this way. So I'm just going to cook it for only 15 minutes on 350 degrees. And this is going to allow your crust to be nice and soft, but it's not going to be mushy. It's going to be nice and soft, just like a pizza you would get like at Little Caesars or something like that. And once I do that, it is ready to serve. "15 minutes later, and this is how my pizza came out. It's a little bit crispy at the bottom, not that much. So even if you did put it in there on 350 degrees, you still get a little bit of crust. Now for my pizza cutter, I got this at Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on Dollar Tree, y'all. I shop at Dollar Tree like crazy. They have everything I need. I'm going to just slice my pizza up. And I'm going to also show you how the crust looks at the bottom as well, just to show you that it's not so loose and soggy like you would probably think it would be. So yes, it is possible to cook a frozen pizza inside of your Galanz. It's really, really easy. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below. I don't mind answering, even if it sounds like it might be crazy or maybe you think that you should know this, or there's no crazy questions. Okay, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below and I will definitely answer any questions you have. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Love you.